guys, Super Mexican Mia. So today is day number 2 of remodeling our dollhouse. So we're gonna go to Joann's today. He's listening, guys. Alright, so I calculated it, like I measured this. We're gonna need around 40 and they cost like around like some 75 cents. So we're gonna spend a good amount of money on this house, guys. Ugh. We're gonna go see what type of stuff I have and I need, and we're gonna go to Joann's. See you there. Hey guys, okay, so we're here at Joann's with my brother and the girls. Okay, so guys, this is what I have so far. I already picked out the bathroom, kitchen, and I think one room, and I need more. Ooh, doesn't this look lit? Hi, little bitches. Okay guys, so I found these things and I found these cute mirrors to make something like this, right? I'm gonna edit it in, Alan.
I know.
Sunny, huh? Hey, what
Oh,
wait,
look,
oh
come
my
here.
god.
You ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Come on. She's like, what is that?
It's your hands. Oh, good girl, Kai. This part. That's cute to make dolls. It's kind of creepy too, though. They have like all the hair.
Oh, the hair's yeah.
Alright, guys. So I found these doilies, and they'd be so cute as a carpets, right? Like little mats for the restroom or like the room. Ooh, I'm excited. Hey guys. Okay, so we're back at my house. I have the dollhouse behind me. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I got. So first thing, I got this. Alright, so this is gonna be for this design. This design is going to be for the middle room, and I'm really excited because I got like 7 or 6 for each room. And yeah, this is gonna be the main one. So my theme is modern boho chic style. Like like that. Like ooh, I want it to be refreshing, clean, like breathe. Like you just like you just relax. So the next one, I wanted to discontinue with this same one that I had before because I really like this design and I didn't just want to like throw it away and not use it. And yeah, it's like really cute. I'm gonna use this one. These are gonna be for the restroom, so I'm gonna use that for the restroom, and it's right here. The next ones I got are for the kitchen. The kitchen I wanted to be like pop, because I really like kitchens. They're like it's like a home place where you cook. Like I know when I cook because they don't play Barbie, but like still I want to have like that home feeling, where like everyone's coming together, and it's got like this hexagonal design. My brother like pointed out. I was like, ooh, cute. So yeah. Next one is for the attic room, like the favorite room that I really want to like remodel, and that's how this looks. So I really wanted every room to have its own like character, and persona. So this is the garage, and it's so cute. There's just little taxis on it, and I thought it was the cutest thing ever, for like the garage or like the storage room, like the color that ties it all in is pink, because that's gonna be like the light pink, because that's gonna be the main color. This one is going to be for the living room, this area, the staircase. It's gonna be that. So yeah, because I wanted that room to just be like the home, like communal one, like communal. I don't know that word. It's like the main, where everyone's mostly going to be, and I wanted that one to just be clean, because it's like it has character, but it's like a home vibe, like. But then again, I might switch it around, so we'll see. But yeah, those are the ones I got. That's the wallpaper. This is my receipt, guys. It's long as fuck, but it's okay. So next, I got this Joann vinyl roll vinyl permanent adhesive. So it's natural wood. I got it in like a light color because the attic has a pink floor right now, and I don't really like it. Doesn't tie in. And yeah, and a lot of these stuff were on sale. So hashtag Joann. Next, so I got these 2 doilies. Look how cute they are. Oh my goodness. This one I wanted to be for like a rug, for the room, and this one for the restroom. I think they look really cute, The best be it has to look cute. So I feel like it ties in with that boho chic vibe, And it's just so nice. And then I got this, like other like few accessories. I wanted to get this. I wanted to get that for like the kitchen, where like oh, like what's there to eat or like grocery list or something, you know? Just cute. Ow, I just hurt myself. It's cute, you know? This looks so nice. Like, wouldn't that look cute? This still looks good. Okay, so I'm excited. You see my vision? You see? You see? Yeah. These I just got like for like little accessories to make it like a small like table out of these. Like just combine them, stack them. Like you see it? Like this place. You know, it's cute, it's cute, it's cute. Okay, and last but not least, I was inspired because I saw this, I don't know if you guys saw the Buzzfeed, I like recreating my like Barbie house to more like adult-ish vibe thing. I think they did this hack. It's like they got like little mirrors and they got these two, what are they called? Like rings? Hoops. And like just to make you know like how I showed you earlier? Like one of those. And like I think that'd be like really cute. But yeah, I got inspired by that. But you know what? I've been doing this in like my whole life, you know, like doing interior design. Like I'm so passionate about it. I love it so much. And like ever since Froggy stuff, like when I was like in elementary, middle school, I used to love watching her videos and just recreate little things. But now, you know, I found this house. I really want just to like really invest in it and just like make it the best house ever. Oh, I also got this cool brush. It's Princeton Select Petite. Spotter Petite, and it's 10-0 because you know I like painting and I need like detailed brushes, you know, to make the lines. But yeah, this I did all for myself. So yeah, like I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just really wanted to show you guys like, you know, the beginning steps of what I'm getting. This is my supplies, my materials. So now I think the next step is just to actually like put the wallpaper on, you know, just to get all that, the flooring in, so we have our base. And then after we can just start adding the details like the furniture, making the furniture, you know, and I'm so excited. Oh! So stay tuned for more episodes, guys. It's episode 2. So yeah, guys, like, subscribe, comment, share this video with your friends if you guys like this or you guys want to get more ideas. I'll link down below some Froggy stuff, her channel, and also the Buzzfeed video so you guys can see what I'm talking about. And yeah, okay guys. Okay guys, bye!